So you asked about the labels. I'm basically just using the DYMO Label app. This is a small label that I created. I've got 3 text fields here and a barcode. I use this. I've saved it as a template. So if I go to, or as a layout. So when I pull up my 3/4 by 2 return address, I can just grab that and go. To manually make one. Now if I need to do a bunch of them, then I'll do a import. So if I do a new import, I can grab any different layout that, or any of the layouts that are saved. But I want to go with this one that I've created. So if I browse to my spreadsheet, see on this spreadsheet I've got 3 different tabs. Now I've got this tab here. My board feed is calculated with a formula. Show you why it's important to copy this over. I've got to actually edit these values to make them 2 decimal places if I want to use them. So I'm going to grab sheet 3 next. Down here in the bottom right, if I wanted the board feet, see it's got only the it's got the long calculation there. So let's save this. Start over. So it's still got the long values, even though I've applied a format cells to limit to 2 decimal places. And I've copied and pasted this over. The only one that is working right now is the one I edited. So format cells is a display only. It doesn't change the actual value of the cell, so that's something to be aware of. But down here I would put my board feet, for instance. Up top I might want first name, so I might do height by width by length. Down here let's do sale price down here. Up top I'll do the item, and then for my barcode I'm going to fill that with my item number. So we see here in the preview I've got Bloodwood, it's got my item number, my dimensions are up top, and then my price down here. Well, price doesn't make sense, just a number, so I'm going to add a $sign and total price by typing that in. And then when we click next, maybe I don't need but a couple of these, so I can individually select which ones I want to print. You can save the data, import down here, and throw it out straight to the printer. When you hit print, it'll spit them all out. One other quick thing here. This guy, don't save. So if I took this simple barcode, I'm going to turn it to a 128. I can link it to either of the other two fields. I don't want this field, so I'm going to delete that. I'm going to insert a counter. I'm going to tell it that I want before each one a 2008 or 2018 09 for September. Then I want it to start at number 100, count by 1, and give me 4 spaces so I can do into the thousands. And definitely keep the leading zeros there so that they're all the same length. Okay, now it formats my counter. And it's going to be the same length every time, so I can adjust that right there. I'm going to go back up to my barcode, turn off the barcode text, and I'm going to link this to the counter. Actually, I'm going to keep the barcode text just to show you. Increase width. Okay, I need to make this barcode small size. Done. There we go. So now my numbers match. If I turn off the barcode text, now I've got a number that will automatically increment every time I print. And so if I print, it increments and the barcode changed.